Good evening, ma'am.
Evening. Good evening. कल क्यों नहीं भेजा होमवर्क? कल क्यों नहीं भेजा होमवर्क?
Ma'am, yesterday I was doing school homework, so I done it. I done your work on in night. Then I sent you. After that, I sent you.
Okay. Okay, I will explain this exercise. Exercise A जो आपने किया है, I will explain this.
A1, ma'am.
Yes, I will explain this topic, okay, in detail on today's Wednesday. Monday, I will take this topic. Monday, write it down. Monday date is 22nd, I believe. Yes. Monday. Sentence formation.
Ma'am, do
Sentence.
I
Write in pencil on the top of the question.
pencil?
Explanation of the topic on Monday.
Right.
Explanation of the topic on Monday.
Explanation.
Explanation.
Okay. Exclamation.
Explanation.
Exclamation.
Array, explanation. What are you listening?
Okay.
Explanation. Explain.
Explanation.
हाँ.
Explanation. Explanation on Monday. 22nd. Done, ma'am.
Just a second. Hello. Okay, so today we are going to learn what is about homophones and homonyms. Right, new topic. Keep your mic on.
Ma'am, is my writing improved?
Previously it was improved. Today this one again there is. I can't see improvement. Last work you have done neat work. Means the first day after the long break, the first day. That time the homework you have done and sent to me, that was good.
Yes.
Right. Homonyms and homophones.
Homo names.
Hmm.
Homonyms and
Homophones.
homophones. Then right.
Okay, now write the definition of this.
Yes.
Write the definition, write first line definition. Right? Definition ब्रैकेट में मीनिंग लिख सकते हैं आप. So write homonyms
Definition meanings.
ब्रैकेट में मीनिंग लिखिए. And then write
Yes, ma'am.
below homonym, write words having multiple meanings.
Words
Having multiple meanings.
having
Multiple meanings.
meaning. Ma'am, this was definition.
This is meaning. हाँ, definition ही है.
Okay. Words having multiple meanings. Written.
Okay, and second one is words that sounds alike. Words that sound alike.
Words that sound
Alike or may have same spelling.
or
Also may have the same spelling.
also may
Have same spelling
have same spellings.
but the meanings are different.
May have same spellings but
Meanings are different.
meanings are different. यार कौन बुलाने लग गया.
ठीक है?
मैम 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Written? Meanings are different?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now you will write, you will make two columns. Make two columns. Okay, one more is it. Homophone में ही आगे लिखिए homographs. Homographs.
Homographs.
ग्राफ. ग्राफ की स्पेलिंग पता है?
GRAPH.
Write it down.
Written, ma'am. Ma'am, do I have to make 3 columns?
If there is space, if you don't have space, no problem. Write it below that.
No, ma'am, I have so many space.
So many space. Yeah, I have lot of space.
Ma'am,
So
I have
many.
lot of
That means
space.
you have to learn what is collective noun, how to put collective noun properly. Okay, write it down. So many and lot of. ये correction करेंगे.
Ma'am,
अच्छा, right now in the
ma'am,
hmm.
in each column, what I have to write?
No, have you written homograph?
Yes, ma'am. There,
That
in the heading, I.
okay. Show me your copy first. Where is the column?
Ma'am, now I will make column. You
Okay,
said to
don't
write.
make right now. Don't make right now. First, write it down. Then you make the column.
Okay.
Write homograph. These words.
Ma'am, is this definition?
Yes, Baba.
Okay.
Homograph. These words.
Homograph. These words
Have same spelling,
would have same
same spelling,
spelling,
same
same,
different pronunciation,
same spelling, but
same spelling, different pronunciation, and different meanings.
different pro- pronou- pronunciation and different meanings.
Hmm.
Different meanings. Done, ma'am.
Example. Now make columns, 3 columns. Made?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. The first column, write homonyms. The second column, write homophones. And the third column, write homographs.
Homonyms. First one. Homonyms. Second, homophones. And third, homographs.
Hmm.
Homograph. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in the first one, I will give you few words. You have to write them in your those those columns. Okay. Okay. Wait. Write suit. 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 छोटा छोटा लिखना, उसी में ही लिखना है छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस. ओके. सूट डैश देकर.
Ma'am, in this, ये क्या बोलते हैं? Homophones. Do I have to write in homophones column?
होमोफिन्स कोई नहीं है, होमोनिम्स है.
That, yes, ma'am. That only.
होमोनिम्स कॉलम ही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना. पहले वाला तो मैं पहला वाला हूँ उसी तरह से ही बोलूंगी ना. आई विल बी speaking according to the sequence I have asked you to write. In the first in the first column I have asked you to write homonyms. Second one is homophones, and the third one is homographs. So the first one, if I'm saying write in the first column, that means I'm asking you to write in homonyms.
Okay. Ma'am, what was that word?
Suit. 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 After suit, right below that, suit yourself. Suit yourself.
Homonyms. Suit yourself.
नीचे लिखिएगा. ठीक है.
Suit.
उसके नीचे suit yourself.
Done.
फिर उसके नीचे लिखिए I wore a suit. I wore a suit. This is the second sentence. That means this word suit has same sound but they have different meaning.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
That is why they are called homonyms. Next word is second word लिखिए. First word suit हो गया. Second word लिखिए.
Yes. Ma'am, homophones.
Homonyms में ही second word लिखिए. एक एक लाइन छोड़ के लिखिएगा. Second word is fair. FAIR. Fair.
FAIR.
The price is fair of
The
the price of the toy is fair. The price of the toy is fair. The price of the toy is fair. Second
written.
sentence. Second sentence. Let's go to the fair. Let's go to the fair.
Written, ma'am.
Okay. The baby the baby is fair skin. The baby is of fair skin. Okay. Now the third word is scale. 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 Written? Weigh it on the scale. Weigh. WEIGH. Weigh it on the scale.
WA.
WEI. Weigh it on the scale.
Weight it on the scale.
And scale. Second sentence is scale the wall. Scale the wall. The fishes have scales in their bodies. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll do some homophones. Okay? Homophones are, give me the definition or the explanation.
Words
Homo-
that sound alike also may have spellings, but meanings are different.
Also may have same spelling.
Also may have spell. Also may have same spelling, but meanings are different.
Right. In the column. First word. Addition. 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 Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Do the addition sums in your homework. Do the addition sums. Do the addition sums. Second word is addition. Edition. Edition.
EDITION. Addition.
Get the new edition of this book. Sentence below that. Get the new edition of this book.
Get the new edition of this book.
Okay? Alright. Difference समझ में आ रहा है? You're getting the point? With the help of the sentences, you're able to understand it, correct? No confusion? I hope it's very clear. What are homophones? What are homonyms?
No, ma'am. I
Take 1
don't
minute.
know about.
Take 1 minute and revise what you have written so far. Take 1 minute and revise what you have read one more time what you have written so far. Think and read. Leave the homograph because homograph we will do. Homonyms and homophones you have done, read it and understand it. I've given the examples to make you understand. If you have any doubt, ask me.
Ma'am, I only don't know the meaning of homonyms and homophones.
Sorry?
I don't know the meaning of homonyms and homophones.
तो अभी तक मैं क्या फारसी लिखा रही थी? मैं फ्रेंच लिखा रही हूँ?
Ma'am.
या फिर मैं ये उर्दू में कुछ लिखा रही हूँ? तुम लिख कुछ रहे हो और मैं कुछ और ही लिखवा रही हूँ? होमोनिम्स के नीचे मीनिंग लिखा हुआ है, उसको पढ़ो. रीड आउट लाउड. रीड आउट लाउड.
Suit yourself.
I said read the meanings.
Okay, words having multiple meanings. Words that sound alike also may have same spellings, but
Wait.
meanings are different.
Wait. Now words having multiple meaning. You can see the words below written in the column below homonyms.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you relate the definition with the examples given? Connect.
Suit yourself.
No. Try to understand what I'm saying. Use your top floor. Use it and understand. I am asking you to read the meaning, okay, and connect the examples with the meaning. मतलब meaning को समझते हुए जो उदाहरण दिए गए हैं उन उदाहरण के साथ समझिए. उदाहरण इसीलिए ना दिए जाते हैं, तो मुझे आपको हिंदी में भी समझाना पड़ेगा. Is it so? Read the meaning once, twice, then read the examples given. Then again change next wala meaning, homophones, then read their examples. Then when I will give you the homographs, then read the meaning of homographs and then read the examples. That is how you understand, right?
Okay. Homonyms, suit. Suit yourself. I wore a suit.
Suit yourself means what?
कि अपने आप को सूट करो.
Suit yourself means अपने आप को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको कोई ड्रेसेस दिखाए गए हैं, ठीक है ना. आपको मल्टीपल टाइप के ड्रेसेस दिए गए, टी शर्ट दिखाया गया है, आपको शर्ट्स दिखाए गए हैं, आपको फॉर्मल वेयर दिखाया गया है, आपको कैजुअल वेयर दिखाया गया है, आपको स्पोर्ट्स वेयर दिखाया गया है. नाउ द शॉपकीपर और योर पेरेंट्स से सूट योरसेल्फ. सूट योरसेल्फ मतलब जो आपको फिट बैठता है वो आपके अपने अकॉर्डिंग सूट करिए, मतलब पसंद कीजिए, ठीक है। सूट योरसेल्फ मतलब अपने हिसाब से, अपने पसंद से चूज कीजिए जो आपको फिट बैठ रहा है, विच इज गुड फॉर यू, विच इज कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू, सूट योरसेल्फ। अब अगर मैं कह रही हूं आप किसी होटल में आए हैं, ठीक है,
Yes.
अपने फैमिली के साथ होटल में आए हैं, ठीक है, और आपके फैमिली में जो सबसे बड़ा जिसने बुकिंग की है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी मम्मी ने बुकिंग की है, ठीक है, होटल में, तो जो होटल का मैनेजर है वो क्या कहेगा, वेलकम मैम, सूट योरसेल्फ। सूट योरसेल्फ मींस जो बेस्ट
Fit
जगह,
for
हाँ, जो बेस्ट जगह हमने आपको दी है, अपने आप को कंफर्टेबली यहाँ पे फिट करिए या अपने आप को कंफर्टेबली यहाँ पे रिलैक्स करिए, सूट योरसेल्फ, और अपने आप को कंफर्टेबल फील करिए, ओके। वन सूट का मीनिंग होता है ये, सूट्स विच एवर इज फिट फॉर यू, विच एवर इज गुड फॉर यू। एंड द
okay.
सेकेंड मीनिंग इज, सेकेंड सेंटेंस पढ़ो, रीड द
I
सेकेंड
wore
सेंटेंस।
a suit.
इसका तो मतलब क्लियर है, इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन है? आई वोर अ सूट, सूट मतलब टाई कोट पैंट, द सूट, प्रॉपर सूट, फॉर्मल अटायर। So there are two
Yes.
meanings of the same word, same spelling. So these are called homonyms. Homo,
Okay. Names.
right. Now read homophones, which has different
Yes.
spelling. Hmm.
Words that sound alike also may have same spellings but meanings are different.
Hmm. They have different spellings, but they may have same spelling. कुछ शब्द ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ एक दो शब्द ऐसे होते हैं जिनके स्पेलिंग्स भी एक जैसे होते हैं, लेकिन मेजॉरिटी में स्पेलिंग्स अलग होते हैं, लेकिन उनको सुनने में एक जैसा होता है। जैसे कि मैंने पहला एग्जांपल दिया, एडिशन, एडिशन एंड
Yes.
एडिशन, दे बोथ साउंड, अगर दूर से मैं बोलूं तो दोनों एक ही जैसे सुनने में है। देन फ्लोर, फ्लोर या फ्लोर, ये भी एक ही जैसा सुनने में है, स्पेलिंग अलग है।
Yes.
फ्लावर की स्पेलिंग क्या है, FLOWER, सीधे बैठो, सिट स्ट्रेट, FLOWER and FLOUR, there are two type of flower, and the third one is FLOO। कितना यौन करते हो, पानी पियो। Get a bottle for yourself and keep it near your table.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now the third sentence, sorry, second sentence आपने लिख लिया है?
Yes, ma'am. Get the new edition of the book of this book.
नेक्स्ट वर्ड लिखिए, TO2।
TO2. Two.
I want to go. I want to go. Second sentence, word लिखिए, TOO2। Second, TOO2। I like it too.
TOO2. I like
It too.
I like it too.
Third word लिखिए,
TOO.
TWO2। TWO2। Right sentence. 1 plus 1 is 2। 1 कैसे लिखेंगे इंग्लिश में? ONE 1। ONE 1 plus plus one. 1 plus 1 is 2.
1 plus 1 is 2.
ठीक है, one plus plus one is two. आपने यहाँ पे
Yes.
भी देखा, these are homophones. They are having different spellings and different meaning, but the only one similarity is that they sound same. Sound means
Sound
phonics.
is same.
Phonics are same. So ये phone से इसीलिए आया है, phones. Phones means phonics, sound. ठीक है?
Pronunciation.
उस pronunciation के नीचे underline कर दीजिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Last word is flower and floor.
Ma'am, on homograph,
इसी में example, third example. Flower and flower and flower.
ma'am,
Sorry?
I don't have space on homophones column.
अभी तो कहाँ, you have so many space.
Ma'am,
Okay, no problem. Write the homograph. In homograph section, write desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert.
desert. Written.
Desert means to abandon or to leave. To abandon. A-B-A-N-D-O-N.
And
Abandon.
ma'am, after N,
अब मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. Abandon. Abandon. क्या होगा?
A-B-A-N-D-A-N.
Abandon.
Okay.
क्या?
O.
Abandon. Abandon or leave. L-E-A-V-E. Leave.
L-E-A-V-E. Leave.
ठीक है? And second desert is second desert का मतलब होता है an area of land, a dry area of land,
And
या फिर a dry area of land लिखो.
मैम मैंने N लिख दिया. N area.
एंड का एन जो है उसे स्ट्राइक ऑफ करो, इस तरह से कैंसिल करो. अ ड्राई एरिया.
A dry area
ऑफ सैंडलैंड.
sandland.
ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड लिखिए क्लोज. C-L-O-S-E. क्लोज.
C-L-O. Yes,
Which means nearby. He lives close to my house.
He lives
Close to my house.
house.
Second sentence लिखिए. Please close the door.
Please
Close the door. Please
Please
close the door. Okay? That means to shut. एक का मतलब होता है nearby और एक का मतलब होता है to shut. Okay? Third word अगर जगह है तो जगह है.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Bow. B-O-W. Bow.
B-O-W. Bow.
We bow down before our elders. We bow down down before our elders.
Before our elders.
That means to bend down. That means to bend down. And the
Okay.
second word is bow. B-O-W, bow. Tie the
B-O-W again.
tie the bow properly. Tie the bow properly. That means the ribbon. Here bow means ribbon. ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिए ribbon. जो हम
Ribbon.
नेक में बो पहनते हैं ना, टाई, बो टाई,
Yes.
रिबन वाला.
Yes, मैम, वो जो ऐसी रहती है बंदी, वो बंदी हुई. Yes, ma'am. I understood.
And then we also tie some ribbon in the gift that we make a bow. गिफ्ट में जो
Yes,
हम
ma'am. I
रिबन बांधते
understood.
हैं, that is called, the shape is called of a bow. B-O-W, bow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I
So
understood.
these are homonyms, homophones, and homographs. So I will give
Okay.
you one list of all these letters, all these words. Okay, you will revise all of them, and then I will give you some sentences. You have to fill in the correct sentence.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
correct
On this
word.
topic.
Yes, on this topic. I will give you first, I will give you all the list of homonyms, homophones, and homographs. You will learn them, you will understand them. If you have any confusion, you will ask me. Then, in the next day, that is day after tomorrow, I will do some exercise. One exercise I will do in the class, and other two exercises I will give you as a homework, wherein you have to fill in the correct homonyms, homophones, and homographs in the proper way in the sentences given. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts you have so far in this topic?
No, ma'am.
All right, then I end today's class and I will give you other exercise and I will give you the list also. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
And the
No.
second topic which you have done, that is your adverb. I will discuss that quickly. Pull out your homework. Put the frequency, adverb, and expression in the right place.
Good. Yes, ma'am. B1.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Suzanne is never late for school. Never. So let me just see what have I given. Wait a second. Is the worksheet open in front
Yes,
of you?
ma'am.
All right. So first one is Suzanne is never late
Late
for
for
school.
school.
Take care. My brother doesn't write letters to his friend. My brother doesn't
Doesn't usually write letters to his friends.
तो doesn't usually write आपने लिखा है, यहाँ पे होगा usually doesn't write होगा. Here the sentence
Okay, ma'am.
formation is wrong. Write down. वहाँ पे उसको underline करो दूसरे पेन से. सीधे पे कॉपी को सीधे लेके बैठो ना. How are you sitting? Keep your laptop, push your laptop behind. Push your laptop behind. You know how to sit. This kind of posture change will make you sit very badly and then have lot of problem in your back, in your neck.
Okay, ma'am, I have done.
My brother usually
But
doesn't write letters to his friends.
let us do this next.
Okay. Third is, we go on holidays. We go,
Twice a year on holidays.
no, we go on holidays twice a year. Time last में आता है.
Okay, ma'am.
Subject, verb, then object या फिर subject, verb, object में या predicate में आता है noun, adjective, adverb, and then last में आता है time, preposition, time आता है. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे आपने जो लिखा है उसमें जो changes करना है वो होगा we go on holidays twice a year.
It's twice a year.
लिखो, do the correction.
Ma'am, मैंने एक line. I have only leave one line. Ma'am, I have make this arrow like this.
So make the correction on the top over there, na? नहीं, not like this. Don't make these shortcuts. बाद में जब after 4-5 days or maybe after 1 month, if you see or check your exercise, you will not remember what you have to do the correction. You will
Okay,
forget,
ma'am.
and then you will say, I don't know. Simple sentence. You will say, sit properly, please. Don't sleep on your copy.
निकाल दो साइकिल बाहर.
Again, no need of mic off. Next is Peter wears a tie.
Peter sometimes wears a tie.
Peter wears a tie sometimes.
मुश्किल से एक ही सही गया. मुझे सेंटेंस टाइप ही बनाया था.
I eat fish. अब बताओ ये वाला. ये तो
I
सही
eat
था.
fish once a week.
ये कैसे सही कर दिया?
मैम वो तो
सारे तुक्के सब तुक्के लगा के सेंटेंसेस बनाए. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think that I thought that.
What was your plan of action? How can you think? Tell me.
Ma'am, I means ma'am की ना sentence सही होना चाहिए बस.
Sorry.
मैं sentence सही होना चाहिए बस वही मेरा दिमाग
So how did you thought that sentence is correct? When you have written we go twice a year on a holiday, and then you have written Peter sometimes wears a tie. Then how have you written I eat fish once a week? I once a week eat fish क्यों नहीं होगा?
Ma'am, I thought that this is a correct.
That means you don't know the rule. No, that means you don't know the rule.
कौन है?
क्या ना जिज्ञेस करो, खोलो ना लाइट जलिए. ठीक है, चलो. I have my second class ready. We will end this class now. So you have to remember, you have to use the subject. Okay, subject means the doer of the action. Okay, then you use the verb. Pay attention. Then you have to use the verb, and at the end you have to use the noun or adverb, or at the last time. माइक क्यों ऑफ कर दिया है?
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ पे और कितने बच्चे हैं कि तुम्हें माइक ऑफ करना पड़ रहा है?
No, ma'am, यहाँ पर तो कोई भी नहीं है.
यहाँ पे इस स्क्रीन पे भी कितने बच्चे हैं?
No, ma'am.
So you don't need to switch off the mic, right? Clear? तो ये exercise समझ में आ गया? So this is how you will do
Yes,
this exercise, the corrections on this exercise. Okay? Sure. Bye then.